everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we'll make 시금치 나물 or seasoned spinach. As you know, spinach is rich in folic acid and vitamins. There is a wide variety of spinach. In the United States, people usually make salads with raw baby spinach, which has thinner and flat leaves. In Korea, people make side dish called namul with thicker and more crinkled spinach leaves after blanching them in boiling water. Spinach is also a very important ingredient of other Korean foods such as kimbap, bibimbap, and Japchae. It goes well with any Korean food. The only thing to complain about spinach is that after cooking, it is reduced to less than 1/4 of its original size. Please subscribe my channel. Subscribing costs nothing. It's not like subscribing magazines or newspapers. So please subscribe. Thank you. Trim spinach. Cut the stem near the root and remove the young leaves with lots of soil. Remove dead leaves too. Usually the lower part near the root is more nutritious, but the cleaning is troublesome, so I cut them out. Place spinach in cold water for 5 minutes. Then soil will be loosened from the leaves. Spinach leaves are easily scratched, so rub gently on the surface with your hands. Rinse in cold water 2 more times and drain. Put some spinach in boiling water and then turn them over after 10 to 15 seconds. Take them out after 10 to 15 seconds. Do not exceed 30 seconds. Drain the blanched spinach. At this time, put the raw garlic in hot spinach leaves for 1 minute. This is optional. I don't like eating raw garlic, so I do this. Take out the garlic. I also heard that cooked garlic is more healthful than raw garlic. The garlic became soft and easily crushed. Squeeze out the excess water from spinach by hand. You don't have to squeeze it too hard. Add in chopped garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil to the cooled spinach, and mix them well. Be careful not to give too much pressure to the spinach. Please treat them tender. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and serve.